Hi, good morning, sir. I'm Alisa Bulaong. I am 21 years old from Bulacan, Philippines. I graduated BS Tourism Management at Central Escolar University, Malolos, and I am 65 kilograms and 157 centimeters in height. Single. My father is a company collector, and my mother is a plain housewife. With my working experience, I started working at June 2014 at Acbeltech Philippines as a machine operator. I I s- in the soldering parts of computer parts. That's from June 2014 to December 2015. And my current job is as a cashier at SM Hypermarket. I worked there last June 2016 until now. And I think you should hire me because I am a very hardworking person and I always follow rules and regulations. And I will assure you that I will do my job great and fine. Thank you.